medianoche con un aire con problemas graves. Tiene fuga ahí en la válvula y acá. Ya la válvula. We're gonna replace the core shutter bulb. So you push in all the way. Okay, lock it up. Turn it gently. With pressing until you feel it's completely loose, and keep turning until it come out. Okay, now it's out. We're gonna close the valve. Close the valve. Loose it up. So release the pressure. Okay, no pressure. Still inside, I had to redo it. It didn't come out all the way. It requires push in and turn it. Yeah. Don't want to get it out. Stuck. Let's see. Oh yeah, now it's out. Now close the valve so you don't get free on your hand, burn your hand. So now release the pressure a little bit. Okay, no pressure. There you go. Now we got the sharp needle. Now we're gonna go ahead and put a new one. It's hard to be taking the video. Okay. No, I didn't do it right. Okay. I'm going to try to do like that because I'm recording. Because normally you have to put in the tip. But I think I can get it like that too. I like to set it on the needle. Okay, tie it up so you don't have no freon coming out. Open the valve. Okay. The same process that how you remove it. Turn it and push in gently. Yeah, now you feel pressure. Keep pressing and turning gently, but with a force in until you feel it's not turning. There you go. There you go. Tight. Tight, not too tight, but like 10 pounds. Now release it.